This is the Boyz anti-tank rifle.
The Boyz!
Which is the weapon used by the infantry soldier to combat enemy tanks and armored fighting vehicles. It is a very accurate single-shot weapon with a simple bolt action similar to that of the service rifle.
We gotta shoot some stuff up, yeah? I wanna get stuck in with the Boyz! We've got it! Can we shoot stuff now? Boom! Surprise! Up yours! We don't found us a tank!
The caliber is 55 or just over 1/2 inch.
Ain't no standing chance! Do it. That's gotta hurt! I'll keep shooting, but they keep coming! There better be more, boss, because we'll be done with these right quick! Mine's shootier than yours! Big is best! The Boyz is best!
It is very important to maintain the swing of the rifle while squeezing the trigger. If this lead is not maintained, or the aim taken directly on the target, the shot will be behind the target and will probably hit something that was not intended. Which is the weapon used by the infantry soldier to combat enemy tanks and armored fighting vehicles.
Run faster, you knobs!
I had to kill you. I'm really sorry.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Wasn't expecting that, was ya?
Armor plate. The destructive power of the bullet is greatly increased by the interior shrapnel effect of the armor shattering. These pieces of steel will inflict casualties on the crew. For maximum penetration, the angle of impact should not exceed 20 degrees. At angles of impact much greater than 20 degrees, the penetration power is reduced, and the bullet may even ricochet off.
Here to blow stuff up. Time for the big boom!
No scope! Anti-tank no scope!
Christ.
Oh, beautiful!
Truly remarkable.
Oh, I watched the
I
training
don't see
video
any
how
hull
you're
on me,
supposed
so-
to use this gun in real life, and it's like, it makes a whole point of like, a man can carry this weapon, but only for a short
Do you have a
time.
hoe?
I'm just fucking running around no scoping people.
Okay, that's
Oh, that's precious.
The rifle is 36 pounds. The magazine, containing 5 rounds of ammunition, weighs 2 pounds, 7 ounces.
This is heavy duty, Doc.
Normally, it is carried in a vehicle, although it can be carried for short distances by a man. Uh-oh. I said a man.